So to install Formula One app, just tap get and then double click to install. You will be able to install it. And this is the app. Experience Formula One like never before with our official app. Your one-stop hub keeps you updated with the latest F1 news, thrilling highlights, race results, action-packed videos, real-time results, and detailed schedules. Stay ahead of the curve with the latest F1 news and expert technical analysis, race weekend schedules, and real-time results. Manage your F1 fantasy team, free leaderboard with live timings. For F1 TV access subscribers, unlock a lot of exclusive content. So if you're a Formula One fan, that's the app for you, definitely. It has grown popularity around the world, and it's presented by Salesforce. I didn't know is it owned by Salesforce? And then you can just tap to create your account. You can add your title, and then you can just whatever, and then create your Formula One account from here, or otherwise you can just tap not now, and then you can tap notifications. Of course, they will ask you to send all kinds of notifications if you want, then allow to track. And then here you just have all the subscriptions available: TV Pro or TV Access. This is just a price in Danish krona, so just depending on the country where you live. And then here you can just if you don't subscribe, you can just see top stories, which is basically news feed, and then you can see video, and then here you can see racing, like you can see all the rounds. It's like, for example, in the beginning of November in Brazil, then in US and Abu Dhabi, and then you see standings. So that's basically the idea. And then so that's the idea. And then you can see fantasy, the official Formula One fantasy game, which you can see. So that's the idea. Pretty cool. So hope it's helpful.